Heyo guys, I hope you're all doing well. Today I am going to be reacting to Machine Gun Kelly Renegade Freestyle. Okay, this is gonna be a freestyle and I love freestyle. I love to listen to the freestyles, and yeah, that's why I'm so excited for this video. This is my first time reacting to him, so I'm very so excited. Let's see what's gonna happen in this video.
Alright, we're live in the homie's backyard, and today it's just me and the cypher.
Okay.
Yeah. Can you turn me up? Yo.
Okay, who's ready? Let's get into it.
Hey yo, sit back and watch me do this. Correct all the stupids who tried to put me in the box I had to solve like Rubik's, with no blueprints, just music. Nothing they say about me on computers compares to a dad who was abusive. I go to war with these stars, no George Lucas. Make a call and here's Johnny, keep me shining like I'm Stanley Kubrick. That line went over your head like the Airbender's tattoo is. Next line that goes into my nose might make me overdo it. I spend so much of my personal savings on Colombian pure cocaine. I should speak Spanish like I'm Cali Uchis. So fucking sick I could piss mucus. I'm the shit when I sit, stand, talk, walk, rap, sing, my mouth sewage. Holy shit, someone chew this. The truth is my closest tried to cross me like Judas, but can't cross me like I'm Jewish. That crosshair's a little shaky, they miss me by 2 inches. I'm cross-legged in my sanctuary like...
Damn! Okay, what a great beginning. Oh my god. This was so amazing. Let's see what's gonna happen next.
I'm Buddhist, I'm cross-eyed from this weed I'm smoking that's colored bluish. This gun is my son, I'm the father of Draco like Lucius. Ugh, make sure there's no confusions. I'm a great white, I can eat these barracudas. See who I am? You're stupid, it's nice to meet you. I just put this hole in the ground for you like a soccer cleat shoe. I see why they call you Jackman. You Jackman's whole swag, give Drake his flow back, man. I eat rappers like Pac-Man.
Oh, I eat rappers like...
His whole swag, give Drake his flow back, man. I eat rappers
like Pac-Man. Alright, this hits different.
Like Pac-Man. Must I regurgitate and show you who's in my stomach from the last dance? I battle rap, no Instagrams or yelling at the cam. Damn, y'all may be the villain when all along I've been Batman. I off-road in this Can-Am. Desert sand on the shirt from Barney's, and I'm stoned like Bam Bam. Eyes red like Cardi, I'm a curse like goddamn. I'm a nightmare like Freddy in your dreams like...
I'm a nightmare like Freddy in your dreams like the Sandman. Damn! He's so good!
The Sandman. Don't go to sleep, you won't wake up from that. Fetal position in front of me, at my feet like a welcome mat. I hold these grudges, I don't welcome back. Fuck subliminal nudges, I throw these punches and I rap. I love you, look at all you little Dylan Brooks. I don't give a fuck if I'm older, I'm colder. You poke the bear in the woods. Came back like LeBron and dropped 40 on you like I should. The only thing I ever wished is that y'all fucking would.
Damn, this is deep. Oh my god, it's over. Let's listen to this again. Wait.
You poke the bear in the woods. Look at all you little Dylan Brooks. I don't give a fuck.
I don't give a... If I'm older, I'm colder.
Fuck if I'm older, I'm colder.
You poked the bear in the woods.
Bear in the woods.
Oh my god, this hits different. I really enjoyed this freestyle. It has a lot of meanings, and I love the way he was singing. It's amazing, and the way he's acting while singing. I loved his style. Everything was amazing. His confidence. This was great. Okay, this is my first time reacting to him, and please guys recommend me more freestyles or songs of this man, so I can react to him in next videos. And I hope you guys enjoyed the video as I did. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. And before to end the video, I want to give a shout out to whatsapp.com. If you don't know what is whatsapp.com, it's a platform connected to YouTube where you can react to all videos. So shout out to whatsapp.com and see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.